Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
We are happy. We are making a very evident progress in this trial, and you can see today we called our 22nd witness, who was a key witness, what we call a star witness, and he gave evidence that covered very substantial areas of our case, and he was cross-examined too. So, and after that, we tendered a series of documents which INEC produced upon a subpoena. So we are very happy with the progress. We'll continue on Monday. This is very, thank you very much. That's a very important question. You see, our witness is a very experienced person, a legislator, and who played a key role in the legislation, which is the subject matter of this case. And you see how he gave evidence of the innovation by the new Electoral Act, which is this aspect of electronic transmission of results. And that is the bone of contention. And once, as he said, there is no compliance with that provision, apparently, even as you saw in the videos played in court by the statement by the chairman of INEC himself, it affects the transparency, because that innovation is to ensure transparency of results. So this witness who participated in the promulgation of the Electoral Act was so versed in this area of law, and also having been the national coalition agent, he was very key in the affairs of that day. So he is a very...
Asari Dakubo, a Niger Delta leader and former agitator of the All-Rich region, has blamed and demanded that the military, particularly the army and navy, be held accountable for the country's high rate of crude oil theft. Dakubo disclosed this to journalists after meeting with President Bola Tinubu at the State House on Friday. His visit is thought to be part of continuing conversations with Niger Delta opinion leaders. Dakubo pledged to work with the federal government to reduce all theft to zero in the country, adding that the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, which is mandated to secure the pipelines, is intimidated by the military. He went on to say that they should be held accountable for crude oil thefts in the country.
Oil theft and vandalization in the Niger Delta. We are going to work with NNPC, PCL, and the IOCs to make sure that oil theft is brought to zero. I also want to say that oil theft is encouraged by the military. The military is at the center of oil theft. And we have to make this very, very clear to the Nigerian public. 99% of oil theft can be traced to the Nigerian military, the army and the navy especially. The army and the navy intimidate the civil defense, who are by status the people who are supposed to guard these pipelines. They receive a lot of money from NNPC, PCL, and the IOCs, and just across the corner, you will see a houseboat. A few meters from the houseboat, you will see an oil bunkering refinery or tapping directly from oil well heads. It is very pathetic now. What is happening in the Niger Delta in the past 8 years was unprecedented in the history of oil production anywhere in the world. The vandals do not only attack the pipelines, they have migrated from the pipeline and have gone directly to the oil well heads, and they take directly from the oil well heads.
The former leader of the Niger Delta People's Volunteer Force also emphasized the critical areas in which President Tinubu should take immediate action, claiming that more heads will tumble following Godwin Emefiele and Abdul Rashid Bawa.
The president is a strong president. He's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. He's going to take decisive action to get these rotten eggs. It's not the old army and the navy. There are a few who have this entitlement mentality. I better persona, I get power persona, I get people where they up, where go to cover me. The president is going to remove them and make it possible for the people of this country to benefit. For instance, Emefiele is gone, Bawa is gone, so more heads will roll. Those who are standing as an impediment to the good and progress of this country, the president will not dally-dally with them. He will not do sissy with them. He's going to put and kick them out. And when he does that, we will have the unfettered power, encouragement to get rid of oil theft, which all my brothers in the Niger Delta, all of us have agreed.
President Bola Tinubu met with other key figures from the region, including the former Managing Director of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Chief Timi Alaigbe, and the former Director General of the Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency. It will be recalled that the president had earlier reiterated his promise to stop crude oil theft in the country.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.